Hey folks, welcome back to Corshine Shorts. Brought to you by a Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive. And today's specialty on the menu is front wheel bearings. The bearings have gone out. The customer brought the truck to me and said that it's making a bad vibration, making a bad noise, grinding noise in the front. So we got looking at it and we noticed that both front wheel bearings are shot in this thing. Also, the other thing is with the vibration is, I don't know if you can see it, but this axle here is really flippy floppy. So I wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Anyways, appreciate you all. Hope you all have a good day. And we'll catch you on the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a